Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna show you how to get this everyday glow, no makeup look, so keep watching. So first things first, I want to introduce my special guest today. He looks annoyed. But anyways, what I like to do first is moisturize my face, obviously. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. My face, This works as a primer as well. Just my milk blur stick, and just like close them pores a little bit because mine are huge. I'm going to take one of my favorite concealers, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and mine is in the color light pale. So just up a bit. Going to to my eyes and draw like some triangle thing. They're uneven. And I'm gonna just draw it like all the way like up to the eye right here. I probably OD'd a bit, but it's fine. And then here, Cupid's bow, and then a little bit here under the lip. Do like another like triangle thing like this, slowly, surely go like that. I like to put a little bit here as well, and that's what I do with my concealer. Oh my god, this is pigmented as fuck. Alright, so then I Wet n Wild contour cream stick in Where's Walnut. And I'm going to basically just go like this, and I'm gonna do the Kim Kardashian famous 3 thing that she does, go like that. And then this is like a little bit dark, but it's okay. That's all I do. And then since my forehead is like really big, I kind of like to just put some right there as well. And then now I look like, you know, I'm about to sacrifice somebody. Okay, all right. So then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and start blending the hell out of all this craziness. So I'm going to start first actually with the contour part. Slowly but surely. And just, you know, beat your face, like literally beat it with the sponge. Wet beauty blender. If you want also, just take a brush. To take my kabuki brush by e.l.f. and just sort of like mix it in there so there's no harsh lines. Okay. So now you see I have kind of a glow, but you know, it's not crazy now. That crazy at least. Alright, now I'm gonna just take my big ass beauty. This is actually a body blender, but I'm gonna use it for my highlight part, and I'm going to just do the same thing I did, but you know, just blend that in. What I like to kind of do is the tips of this. I like to kind of like contour my nose a bit as well. So like down the bridge of my nose to like the 2 sides right there. I like to just, you know, kind of make a line, so it kind of makes it look like I'm contouring it very lightly. very lightly. You can see kind of. Blend it really quick and just blend it out. Okay. So now I'm going to set everything. With some powder. I'm going just to put like yo, I just made a whole mess for no reason. Shit went everywhere, but it's okay. It's okay. Put some here because my T-zone gets super oily. And just let that rock. And oh, by the way, I'm using the Airspun loose face powder. I don't know what color this is. Oh, and translucent. So it's a translucent one. Now, I like to put bronzer. So I'm going to use my Hikari quad palette. And I'm going to use this angular brush. Go like this on both of the bronzers. And just go like this over the contour. To give it more of like a sharp look. Okay. Now, oh, and I like to like sort of put some on my forehead as well. Here, you know, everywhere. And I do not do a drastic eye or wing or anything when I do this look because I feel like it's a simple look. So I'm gonna go in with my almay eyeliner. And I'm going to hit this on the top waterline, like right on my upper lash line, well, whatever, waterline. Very gently color it in, line it, and be careful not to blink and poke your eye out. Okay, and I like this because it's hyperallergenic. My eyes get really watery easily, so I put this one first and then I line it over with my other one. So do it to both eyes. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. gel, waterproof gel eyeliner right over that one, just so I can like set it. And this one's like darker. And then I like to go in with a mascara, the big one by Lancome, and it looks like this. Actually, I think the packaging looks different. This was like a Valentine's Day, or it was like a special whatever, but obviously the black is black color, and brushes like this. I really like it. So and I like to like put a little bit on the bottom too. And since my eyelashes are like pretty long, I tend to mess up a lot. So I'll just go in with a Q-tip and clean off any black that was left. Okay. And now we can wipe away the pixie dust. So I'm just gonna take a brush like this, doesn't really matter, a big cotton brush, and wipe away all my sins, my regrets. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte blush in Feisty. I take a blush brush. Smile. and the apples of your cheeks. Okay. Very subtle. And now it's highlight time, my favorite part. Okay, the Kylie Jordyn one. And No New Friends and Best Life. These two. My cute little highlighter brush. And just kind of like mix the two together like that. And right here, just another alternative. I really like this one, Wet n Wild Megaglo and Golden Flower Crown. It's really pretty as well. So it's like a nice affordable alternative. You see that? Cool. Okay, and I like to just like glow all over the place. Like this. Take the highlight and put it in my brow bone right here. So, to give it a nice glow. Like so. An eyebrow spoolie. Just brush out my brows. Make them look a little bit neater. Sometimes I'll put a little powder just to like make them darker. But, and then that's basically it. And then we're gonna spray. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild setting spray. That's all I have right now. So. And we're ready to go. I like to add a gloss. It's already had on. Oh, very simple and natural looking. So it's like an everyday, no makeup kind of look type of thing. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.